TGOTSOLE, I'm back again, of course, with another beater box. We got this beater box today coming to us from Supremacy, no other than a mystery box, man. Just nothing full of mystery kicks, don't know the size conditions, none of that. Telling y'all all this for all the new subscribers and new people who stumble up on this video. I don't know what's in here. These boxes are made for us to resell and potentially make some profit off of. So far this year has been amazing with the boxes. This one right here was $950, shipped from California. This year been great with beater boxes. Finally got a little bit of time today, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up for you guys. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be the first one to see the kicks. Well, if you follow me on Instagram on the for sale page, y'all see the shoes way before they even get on YouTube. I got my trusty handy dandy knife with me today. $950 from Soul Supremacy. Never get tired of doing this. I get DMs all the time like, how many boxes you did? I've done hundreds of beater boxes and I never get tired of doing it. I love doing it. I'm gonna continue to do it until they stop selling them. This box right here has no loosies. No loosies, which is a great sign. Let's start off with this little red box. It's a women's Air Jordan 1, size 5.5. Small Jordan 1, size 5.5. Great shape. I don't know the nickname to these. I'm super unfamiliar with them, but they are in pretty good shape. Pretty good shape, size 5.5, very clean. I like the little snake skin hit on the back. Size 5.5. One thing I hate about Jordan 1 boxes is they always rip right here. So when I post them online, I just make sure I say it's come with a damaged box or something. Even though some people might consider that still good or whatever, that's ripped to me, that's damage. Size 5.5 on that. We got another red box, another little one, another 5.5, probably from the same person. I have like 3 pair of these things. I like this shoe. I actually have a personal pair. NC to Chicago, North Carolina to Chicago Jordan 1s. This was a woman's release. Size 5.5 and about the same shape as the other ones that I just pulled out. Check those out. The shoe is clean. They come in the low also. I don't have the lows, I have the highs. And my size, which is a 12 women's, that I still haven't even rocked yet. They just kind of tucked away along with a bunch of other stuff I say I'm gonna pull out one day, but never go anywhere to do it. The rest of these boxes look like full size, but well, maybe not. I see another red Nike box in here. I can already tell what this is from the owl on the side. We got an Air Jordan. Make sure I'm not tripping. This is an 8, OVO size 8.5. We got the black ones. I had the black ones before. I wouldn't mind getting the white ones. These came in white and black. Drake 8, OVO 8. Pretty solid condition. Pretty solid condition. Got the little owl on the back. I know the playoff aces just dropped a couple weeks ago. I really wanted those. Those were fire. That's an OG colorway. This right here it's pretty solid. I mean, it's a Drake, so it's gonna move. Size 8.5. First time I got them was when they first dropped, so I don't even think I had them a week and they was gone. Hopefully I had the same luck with those. This is the other red box I was talking about. These are a size 10 in women, so an 8.5 in men's. Washed pink. Washed pink. They look dead stock, by the way. Somebody unlaced them, but I got a peep pick at the bottom right here. These are obviously not dead stock. Very, very good shape though. Come with the hang tag and all that. I don't know if they come with extra laces. I'm sure they do. Here they are right here. We got the extra laces in the box. Extra pink laces. This isn't a bad one. Kind of give me that turbo green vibe, just in pink. same material, whatever. I just got a pair of those for the personal collection, the turbos that I had sold when the market was stupid high, and then I just bought them back now that the market is kind of down on them, but I really like the shoe. So I ended up grabbing me a pair. We got 4 pair left. I got a pair of laces. I'm not sure what box these came out of. I'm gonna throw it back down here for now. We got a Nike box, a Nike Vaporfly 4% Flyknit, size 8 men. Looks like a regular old running shoe. Size 8. Take both of them out so y'all can check them out. Little Flyknit. I remember these were a hit back a couple years ago. Everybody was on that Flyknit material when it came out. These things are loud. I'm not a runner. My foot is way too wide to even try something like this. Check out the bottom of them. This is definitely for that slim foot runner, woman or male. Not for me. Not for me at all. Check out the back. These do have some creasing in the midsole, of course. Being a running shoe and all, you're gonna get a lot of that soft material. All right, we got 3 pair left. Get this Jordan box out the way. We got a Jordan 11 in a size 10. Oh my goodness. Gotta be in everybody's collection if you're a true sneakerhead. You got the Concords, the 45 on the back. These are clean. Not a lot of creasing on them. These are pretty solid. I'm not mad at these at all. Concords, it's a staple in, I'll say, any OG sneakerhead collection. These are a staple, man. These are super dope. This is a very clean pair. They do have some creasing in the back. Check out the back. These will move very fast. Bottom still pretty solid. I don't even remember what year these came out. Still got they got the receipt in the box at the bottom. I'm not sure. These just came out, yeah, 2019. About to say that 45 on the back just recently came out, not too long ago. I already have them in my collection, so don't need those. Those are size 10 anyway. I need just a 10.5. Speaking of a 10.5, we got a 10.5 and another Jordan 11. 2 grails, 1 box. Let's go. Breads. Cleaner condition than the Concord, size 10.5. It don't, man. Stop playing. OG vibes all day. Look at that. Arguably one of the greatest Jordans to ever come out. These are super clean. Man, I love getting these. These are my size. I already have them. I don't know if these are cleaner than the ones I have or not. I'm gonna have to double check. But dang, these are nice to see. I haven't even seen mine in a while. I got everything down, all my personal shoes down in the garage until I finally have some time to finish this room. All my personal pairs are locked away. I haven't even seen. All I've been wearing is Crocs and gym shoes. And these come with the original receipt and all that stuff from 2019. Very, very clean, dope. Box in great shape. When it comes to beater boxes, this type of stuff you get, I mean, it don't really get no easier than that to move. We got some PSGs. I'm going to tell y'all because y'all already know what these are, and I can tell from the box, these are the 4s. These are size 11. Lord, please don't be a replacement box. How whack would that be? I'm getting all hype and then be a replacement box. I'm trying to set it up where it don't. It's an empty box. This is the last pair. Not a replacement box. Let's go. Oh my goodness, they super clean too. Size 11. Size 11. PSGs. Man, I've had these before. These are way cleaner than the ones I had before. These are a size 11. Man, dope. We got Concords. We got Breads. We got PSG 4s. OVO 8s. All those ones. The last 3 pair gonna pay for this box alone. This box was dope. I'm glad I decided to show you guys this one. Like I said, this box was 950 bucks. And we pulling out $300 sneakers. Every pair, not every pair, but y'all know what I mean. The last 3 pair gonna pretty much pay for this box. I'm super happy with this one. Got a few more I need to open up before the weekend really gets cracking. I gotta post all this stuff, and man, I got a ton of work to do with beater boxes that came in. Appreciate each and every one of y'all watching, hit my DM. Appreciate everybody who bought a beater box from me on the for sale page. I put it up in the story. So if you guys want a beater box, check them stories, or you can DM me, and I might have enough stuff to make y'all one. A lot of times I'll keep 1 or 2 on hand, just already pre-made, ready to ship out in case somebody hit me up. But if you follow me on Instagram, you can you can just hit me up if you want one, because I got a ton of inventory. So appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the feedback for the people who have bought mystery boxes from me. Everybody seemed to love them. If you cop one from me, make a YouTube video on it, and like just make a YouTube video on it, because I build them up pretty nice, and it'd be dope to see you all reaction. Make a YouTube video, or make a video and shoot it to me. I just want to see everybody's reaction when they open up these boxes. See if they get the same reaction I get when I open them. And it's going on like 4, 5, 6 years of me doing it. So thank you for all the people who tap into the for sale page and cop whenever I post something. And if you go down to the story highlights on that page, you'll see all the stuff that I have available. Everything that's on the story highlights is still available. All the prices include shipping. So boom, there you have it. If you're new here, make sure you hit that sub button, hit the notification bell. And that's gonna wrap up this video. I don't think I got nothing new to tell y'all or nothing like that. Y'all know I'm sporadic with the videos. Y'all might not see me again for a few weeks. Might see me again tomorrow. You just never know with me. But if you follow me on Instagram, I'm pretty much on there every day on the for sale page. Whew, I think that's gonna conclude this video. Super happy about this box. I'm loving them Concords. I'm loving those breads. Even though I already got them, it's just dope to see them again. Yeah, and those wash pinks, I never seen them, but I actually like those. I don't think, maybe the missus might want them. I doubt it. She really don't like hot tops like that. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm gonna get out y'all face. Thank you again for all the support. I'm out. Peace.